Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Monday, November 8th. Today we'll start off with two adorable kits by Riley Blake Designs. This is the pillow kit for December. I really like that it's a combination of piecing and applique. We have these pillow kits for almost every month of the year in the shop now. I think we're only waiting for a few more. So if you enjoyed this idea, these pillows are designed to be slipped onto a form so that you can change it out every month. So this again is the December pillow kit. And then we have a new Riley Blake kit called, what is it called? Spools and Bobbins Table Runner. So that's what the runner looks like right there. And I really love the way these kits are packaged because it just feels like a gift. And you open it up and then you've got all of your little fabrics folded in such a cute way down below, and there's a charm pack. So this is Lori Holt fabrics in a cute little giftable box called Spools and Bobbins Table Runner. So those are the two new things we have from Riley Blake Designs. Next, we have a collection of fabric from Robert Kaufman. This is called Wishwell Weather Report, and I will read while I'm showing it to you. Leslie Tucker Jenison is inspired by an eclectic mix of repeating shapes in both natural and man-made environments. Street art in the form of graffiti, gritty layers of torn posters, paint, sprayed stencils, and cracks. Weather Report is her newest collection with graphic designs in blues, greens, and grays. This is by Wishwell for Robert Kaufman. That looks similar to something of hers that we've had before, I think. I really love the colors in this collection. I absolutely love blue with lime green. So that's probably one of the reasons this one made it into the shop, because I just love it. And then there are two 108-inch wide backings that go with this collection. And man, they are soft. I don't know if you can see that sheen on them, but they're actually sateen, which is a different weave of cotton. It makes a soft, silky backing, but is obviously still cotton. So we have these two to go with that collection. That's what we have for you today from the shop. I do want to wish a belated happy birthday to my little brother who had a birthday on Saturday. So sorry, I missed it. And we will see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.